Hello everyone, welcome to Learnowledge. Today we'll be discussing about ngSwitch directive. In our previous sections, we discussed about the structural directives and its type. So we discussed ngIf, ngFor. So if you have missed that, you can check out our previous videos. In this section, we'll be discussing about ngSwitch directive. ngSwitch directive, if it's like a switch statement in a normal programming language. It's basically a set of directives that switch among alternative views. So let's just jump to the ground. Let's just create one variable here first. Public myvar. Let's make it a string. Let's just say pen. And in our HTML, create a division first. Syntax is within the square bracket, write ngSwitch equals your variable name. Now, within this, you can put some span and make use of ngSwitch case. Syntax is asterisk ngSwitch case equals pan. Item is, let's just make it more dynamic, my var. In this similar way, you can have as many cases as you want, say pencil, car, bus. Also, in ngSwitch, we have a default case. So syntax is very similar, right? Ng switch default. That's it. No data matched. Let me just save it. So what this will do, it will evaluate the value of my var variable, which is a pen in our case, and accordingly it will go to that particular span which is matching that case, and it will render this view. Item is pen. Let me just change the item to bus. Item is bus. Let's just make it truck. Save it. Default block has been generated. So this is how you can make use of ngSwitch and their particular cases, and if there is any default value. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please hit like, comment your queries in the comment section, and please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update.